Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're done with your girl Nikki, and me have alongside me a boy Rush. So we just come from the hairdresser, him go do him ear and everything. So we decide say me I get up today our Sunday. Get up and me decide say I not cook no food, I not going to no kitchen. So him say he might take me out at dinner dates, guys. You know how that go. So guys, we just want to just stay tuned and watch the progress, yeah, because I want to have a nice. So guys, we are actually going to Magaritaville in Honduras, yeah, so we're gonna have dinner there. So when we get there, guys, you will see the variety of food that they have and so forth. Yeah guys, when I Sunday with me I eat out of my food is a big bowl me eat out of one big red bowl. I'm not go glass plate settings unless me I go out like now. At them time they allow me do glass plate settings. Even if me I do glass plate settings and me have a plate of a load. Don't say I'm crazy, you know, but I just love my food. What if the food tastes really good? Yeah, me that. Right true. Hey guys, someone's gonna stay tuned. Guys, up on my ear. I like the color. I me love it. Me love it real bad. You watch my face with them bump. I don't know why them bump here come up in my face. And what they them never in my face. Them bump just start to come up in my face. Can't manage it. So guys, stay tuned. There's a sign. Yeah. Why you want to go mistake?
No, I got mistake.
Too late to go to Mr. Mountain. Are you not late now?
No, we can't change it up. We're not too late still.
But we got mistake already, so it makes sense to go back and Mr. Mountain.
We can't change it up a bit.
Yeah. Them not put out the something over here, so. COVID tested $7,000. Jesus, them people here. Dolphin Cove. Much more minutes to reach Margarita.
Why not? Fishing village.
Not a fishing. Margarita.
Take the next left onto Main Street, then turn left onto Turtle Beach Road.
Turtle Beach Road. I don't know now.
Take the next left onto Turtle Beach Road, then your destination will be on the left. Take the next left toward Main Street, then turn right onto Main Street.
The one on the left.
Turn left onto Turtle Beach Road, then your destination will be on the left.
Come here, Sardina.
Island Village.
You're not even under security. Me ask the rest of you. So guys, we're about to enter inside. Yep, we're about to enter inside. So we're gonna carry us out with some stuff.
So, yeah, peeps, so I gotta go in and now you don't know it's the Rush Boss in the building. I go eat some food there, man, and enjoy yourself, people. I don't know that thing they go already.
And we have to big up Father God for the journey. Reach along safe. And we know we are going to reach in safe back again. Because without God, nothing is possible. Everything is possible. I must say, with God, everything is possible. Yeah, I have to give him thanks. Give thanks to the Most High. Let me lock my bag. So what place they never say na Margarita. So guys, so this is the place. No, some of you guys been here before. Some of you supposed to know here. What's your boy Rush? Hmm?
Look like on the sea. Oh God, I missed it more. Place it. Yeah, I bring it for swim. I look out from the sea. I look at them places.
This will say from over the street, from over the someone for the thing and see it.
Easy. And sit there. Going from the beach side. You remember that I come chill in my suit.
So whenever I show you today,
You never tell me.
I was showing it to you. And the water have.
Yeah, please. There, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I think about over ocean level. Guys, when you think about over ocean level,
Can't stay over.
you will know about them food and stuff for. Did you know you can jump into the water?
Can't actually swim.
Can't swim, you have tights, you have shorts underneath that. And swimming in my panty.
Yeah. When I walk, I got to take a little dive. A lot of things I do in my car.
I'm going to know water, right? I'm never come for that. Come for that to some flagging. Enjoy yourself a nice, clean, pretty self.
One avenue. Not new.
So we are in Starbucks getting something. Can so a nice thing cashier this is Selway. You can say hi to our channel, please. Hey guys. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I come here and say me I look for something for get and the what that's the worker actually tell me so these are displayed. Can you believe this? So these are displayed. Why this boss has waste food? I'm firing him live? But foreign people are going to do this in the supermarket. Them dash their food when they nearly for expire yet. No sir. I'm so expensive. Although them look nice still.
Several bills.
The egg get dry out.
Ham and cheese. 8.50. Yeah.
Oh well is the coffee biscuit. The coffee cake. Yeah, oh well is it?
My personal preference, and I'm always highly sweet.
Highly sweet.
Yeah, the top part is really sweet because it's a combination of cinnamon with sugar.
Okay.
So when you heat it up, it basically caramelizes with the cinnamon. It's really
Okay.
nice though. Don't get me wrong.
Okay.
Normally, if you want something more sweet, subtle,
Uh-huh.
I'd recommend like a cheese Danish.
A cheese what?
A cheese Danish. You don't actually call it
Oh,
Danish,
that
it's
one.
sweet cream cheese, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right. That tastes my one too.
Alright, I'll do that.
How it tastes?
Perfect.
That tastes good. That one your name? You remember what it name?
Me, I look for the name, but we can't find the name.
But it have one bag of things in it. Just know say. It's like a chocolate cocktail.
So,
Yo. Yeah, yo.
it's perfect.
Man, say, I go up there, go check him out there. I be careful.
Nothing was sweet.
Everybody watching right now, you're all
we
my
have
judges.
none.
You guys got
So here we have rice and
So
with
I'm
curry
gonna say
goat,
one,
fried
everybody else
plantain,
gotta shout
and
two.
steamed veg.
All right?
That's what we have
I
in
say
right
one,
now.
you shout two. I'm gonna try
Because
this
I'm
right now.
hungry and we can't take too much of the talking. Right now, I'm taking out the food.
So you gonna use knife?
What? I feel like I can't use my knife from far people. I feel like I can't use it.
I'll
Where are
say
you
one,
tonight,
everybody
Papa?
else say two. Help me out
I'm
with
on
the count.
rice.
One. No, we don't like
I'm on
that.
rice.
Well, I'm about to say so. We don't get nothing from around this. So let's
How
try
it
it
is?
again. One. No. The table are bullshit. The table are not saying nothing at all. They can't say two. They get what they want to. Yeah. Yep, they get one, two.
Yeah.
We try it again. One. Still, you don't know.
Alright, but kind of have a salty taste.
One.
Very good.
All right, you like that. Keep that same energy there. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to go right now. Not five from Texas, huh? From Mount
It's another
Kingston.
take on my
So
one.
need some drink out right now. Take out the cup. All right, focus on. Gentlemen, here's at your belly buttons for me right now.
I'm going to eat one. Why are you going to
Ladies and gentlemen, you ready right now? We're going to
eat with knife and fork? What do you say?
Well guys, I must say for this burger, it's not bad, it's okay, but boy, as you can see in the plate I be a bone, whatever, I'm like a bone my paper. God bless the meat, yeah, God bless the meat in the burger, but differently the food is wonderful. So I can recommend anybody to come here to come have a Sunday dinner here, right here at Magaritaville. Yeah, the view is something else. Talk about very quiet, very nice.
Quiet.
Not quiet, I wouldn't say quiet. It's very nice. End of our video, guys. Manala, enjoy myself very much. And I enjoy myself here. The people I'm gonna be able to the curry goat. I'm gonna talk about it and tell them say, yes guys, so I enjoy my curry goat and everything, and I hope you guys enjoy it with me. Yeah.